some money.
Like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah, you know we die for that.
Hello, this is Roxcyn, and I had a request in the subject title. Well, the subject title is How to YouTube, and the question was, how can I set a premiere from my phone only? I don't have a laptop or PC. And how can I set my banner? And we might as well just throw in other things. How to set in your avatar and your watermark, as well as view comments on videos. So you want to open up your browser, and you want to go to studio.youtube.com. You want to be logged in, obviously. Then you're going to get to your dashboard, which you see right now. And so let's start out with the premiere. So the second one, the little icon on the left, which I'm clicking now, and it highlights as video. So I have an unlisted video. I'm going to show you. I haven't edited it. I have not done the proper edits on it. So I clicked on the title, and then we see the little pencil. We're going to click the pencil, and then video details. And this is exactly what you see on your PC, laptop, MacBook, whatever you're using. And it's just a smaller version. So you're just going to scroll over, and then you see visibility. Mine's unlisted. And then, so with the premiere, there's two options. You can make it public immediately with your premiere. So that means it's going to be published, and it's going to have a premiere with the chat box. Most people don't do that. Most people do the second one, schedule. We're going to we're going to schedule a date and time, and we're going to set it as a premiere. I'm not doing any of that, so I'm going to exit out of there. So that's how you set a premiere. I'll show you once more so you guys can get it. So I'm going to click on a video. It's probably, and it would be something that's unlisted or private because you're still in the editing process, or you just haven't uploaded it yet. So we're going to click the little pencil, and then we're going to go over to visibility, and then we have two options: set public and instant premiere. And it even has a little question mark, and it tells you that it's going to be instant and that you and your viewers can watch it together at the same time. It's like a live chat, except the video is not. The video is already pre-recorded, but you can chat along with your viewers if you don't know. And the second option, which most people do, is schedule it. They pick a date and time, and they schedule it, and then you put done. You would click done and then save up here at the top. I'm not going to do that as a premiere, so we're not saving any changes. So that handles the premiere. And now with the banner, with the avatar, and with the watermark, the second to the last option, the little magician's wand, and that's customization. So, pardon me. So that is your branding, and I've already set everything up, but I'm assuming if you haven't already, it would, instead of saying change for all the options, it would say upload. But anyway, so profile picture, and the question that my fellow YouTuber had was about the banner. So the banner is the middle part, and it tells you the dimensions and the size for both the avatar and both the banner, and then the watermark. Most people with the watermark, they make it the same as their avatar. That's up to you. You don't have to. And then it gives you options if you want to do it at the end of the video, start of the video, custom start time or the entire video. So that's where the banner, avatar, and watermark, again, I will show you. So it'll be like this. It'll say channel dashboard. We're going to come to the Magician's one, which is customization, and then branding. Then we have the app versus avatar. Oh, it says profile picture, but a lot of people call them avatars. So we have profile picture, banner, image, and video watermark. So we have those three. And then for the comments, it's the fifth one down from the top. So it's the one. And then here are comments that I haven't responded to. Pardon, I do apologize. I'm trying to respond to all comments. It does take me a while though. So then we have publish, held for review, and likely spam. And it automatically populates comments I haven't responded to. And you can actually do contains questions, member status, member count, so you can actually narrow it down if you want to. Pardon me. So that is the three things, which are, once again, we wanted the premiere, so we're going to go to video. I'll try to summarize it all. Video, and then we click on the middle part, and we go to the pencil, and then visibility, and we have two options: public, premiere, which is instant, or we schedule it. So we have that, so that's the premiere, and then the wizard's wand, and we have our branding, profile picture, banner, image, and watermark, video watermark. And then the comments is that one. It is more challenging to do it through your phone, but it can be done. I definitely wanted to show you all the options that my fellow YouTuber asked, and I definitely will put her channel in the iCard right now. So hopefully it's popping up there. Anyway, I hope you all have a wonderful day or night wherever you are. Talk to you later. Goodbye.